Alright, welcome back to Cooking with the Couchsurfer. I have some guests here from
Michigan, Germany.
Michigan.
and you're all related somehow.
Yes.
Yes.
We are all cousins.
Alright.
Yes.
So, what you gonna cook today?
We are cooking a traditional German meal called Pfannkuchen and
Pfannkuchen.
with green salad
And
applesauce.
Yes.
Cinnamon sugar.
So, it's like a traditional thing in Germany?
It is.
Okay, cool. And this is a vegetarian dish,
Yes, it is.
so you can make it if you're vegetarian. Hello everyone! The ingredients you need.
Okay, so we need apples, sugar and cinnamon for the applesauce. Then for the Pfannkuchen we need eggs, flour, milk and a bit of salt. And for the salad we have lettuce, white vinegar and olive oil. And this is the recipe from our omas.
From your what?
From our omas, so our grandmas.
Your grandma's?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you think about Norway so far?
I love Norway. Yeah, it's awesome. My favorite country in the world.
Can you say that again?
My favorite country in the world. I love Norway.
So in here, the flour and the egg,
Yeah, and salt. And now half of the milk.
half of the milk, and then you whisk it. and-
Yeah, and then you add the rest of the milk.
Want me to mix up the dressing like right now?
The first one's always bad. So you can't judge on this
So this meal, can it be done in a bunch of varieties, or it has to be like this?
Yes. So this is like the main ingredient, and you bake the Pfannkuchen, and then you can fill them basically with whatever you want. Like you can make them sweet, you can make them salty, you can fill them with, I don't know, Nutella, you can fill them with
Meat?
meat if you want
Yeah.
to, jam, like cheese, anything you want. It's pretty simple. Yeah, it's kind of similar to a crepe, but it's like a crepe,
Ah,
but
okay.
it's a bit thicker.
Oh. Oh, it smells good. Getting hungry.
Just for sure. There we go.
There we go.
Oh yeah, that'd be
That
cool.
would be cool for the video.
You're letting us down a little bit.
What? You have to try.
Oh no, that's gonna be a fail.
Okay, you can try in the last one.
I can, yeah.
Okay, so put your back into it.
Amazing.
You probably do either.
So we have like two versions. One with salad. Trying it now. It's good. Alright, so now we're trying the sweet version.
Yeah, it's much better.
Very good.
Yum.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Not as good as Oma, but
Of course
still
not.
good.
Still good.
But the applesauce is
Okay, so this song by Robbie Williams, Angels. They haven't heard of it.
Never.
They never heard of it.
Never.
It's crazy.
my 22 years of life. Never.
Oh
Never.
my god.
Not once.
You missed out.
0 tips.
So this is the bonus round with peanut butter and Nutella. Half. Also pretty nice.
What's that?